Hey guys, welcome back to Lavender. Today I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day video. This is just one of those highly requested topics, so I thought I'd take you around my day and show you what I eat. It switches up every single day, but this week I found myself in a groove that I quite like, so I wanted to share that. So here we go. So first, I'm making my morning tea. What it really is just hot water, some lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and honey. I feel like this is a great way to have something warm in the morning, warm up my digestive system, and also the lemon and apple cider vinegar have tons of benefits and detoxing properties. So while I'm enjoying my tea, I'm gonna go warm up some congee, which is rice porridge. I feel like an Asian grandma cooking this, but as I get older, I really appreciate like simple, warm dishes like this, especially for breakfast. So if it gets too thick, you can always add more water. So congee does take a while to make, so what I did was I made a huge batch of this like a couple days ago so that I could just have it every morning, like quick breakfast, you know? Back and I am hungry, so it is the late afternoon and this is about the time that I'm gonna make my fruit bowl. So let me show you how I do it. So I got some sliced bananas and then I'm gonna add blueberries. Usually I just add bananas and whatever other fruit that I have with me. Yesterday I had mangoes, today it's blueberries. And then I'm gonna add some granola crumbs that came from Ami Song's raw bar. So I made this raw bar. It didn't end up as a bar, it fell apart, but I found out the granola is really good as a topping with fruit. So in this granola is like oats, chia seed, flaxseed, dates, and walnuts. If I don't have this granola, usually I'll just add chia seed, flaxseed, and some almond slices, maybe a little honey on top. So good. It's always so satisfying to have fruit with some granola. It's just such a good combo. Just give you an example of what a bite looks like. There's some bananas, blueberries, dates, walnuts, and oats, and all those things. All right, now it's time for dinner, and I pulled out a few ingredients that I think I'll cook with today. So I have some noodles, and I have mushrooms that I want to saute. I also have some greens and a tofu, but this is like a soft tofu, so I'm not sure if it's gonna work for what I'm trying to do. We'll see how this goes. Oh, I could put cucumber in it too. Okay. The noodle's almost done boiling. Now I'm just gonna make like the base sauce for the noodle. That is gonna go in the bowl, and then the noodle will go in the bowl, and then the mushrooms and all the tofu and stuff go on top. And I just mix it all together and eat that. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it. For sure I'm gonna put a little bit of this chili oil. This is like really bad for you, chili oil, but tastes really good. Some rice vinegar, some sesame oil, and then I'll just add like dashes of soy sauce and black vinegar depending on the taste. I love sesame oil. I could just eat it straight. Just sesame oil with rice or with noodles, anything. Some brown sugar is needed. Ooh, that's good. So there's just a little bit of sauce at the bottom, and then there's gonna be a lot of noodles, so it will dilute the sauce anyway. Okay, I don't know about you, but I am quite proud of my dinner that I made tonight. I've never made this before, but it looks really good. It has all the good ingredients that I like. A lot of noodles, the mushroom, tofu, and then cucumbers to freshen everything up. I saved another half for Wilson because he'll come home soon. That's good. So there you have it. This is what I eat in a day. Generally, I love Asian food. I love carbs, as you can tell. It's not necessarily healthy, but I try to stick with vegetarian meals. I only eat not vegetarian sometimes when I'm out with like friends or family, but every time I cook for myself, it's always vegetarian. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm just gonna eat this, or I'm gonna take Insta photos and then eat it. Have a great day. Bye. Update, I'm like halfway through and I'm kind of full. I made too much noodles, so it's okay. I could save it for Wilson when he comes home. Now Wilson's making his sauce. I think you put too much sauce. Ooh, so this is Wilson's one. I wonder if it tastes better than mine.
Did you try it? What do you think?
It's good. Last thing I'm eating today is a bit of Wilson's smoothie.
Good.
Mm-hmm.